Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing the strawberry trend makeup look. So I am going to start with the face. So I'm actually going to use two primers. For the T-zone, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. And like I said, I'm only going to apply this to the T-zone. And on the outsides of the face, I'm going to take the Jafra Hydrating Radiance Primer. For foundation, I'm going to take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty All Over Face Brush to apply it. I'm going to just squirt some on the back of my hand and then pick some up with the brush. And then start applying it. This is like one of my favorite makeup looks to do every day, since it's kind of a no makeup look. I love this. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I actually need some more of this. It's almost out. I'm going to apply some of this under the eyes and then any blemishes. I'm going to let that sit just for a few minutes and then we can start blending the concealer in. Okay, I'm going to start blending in where we applied concealer on the blemishes. I'm just going to leave the under eye area for last. With what's left on the brush, I actually like to go around brows with this. Now we can go ahead and blend in the concealer under the eye. Okay, I'm going to now do some contouring. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A58. I'm actually going to take some of this on the back of my hand and then use the brush to apply it. And I'm going to go on the forehead. And then I'm actually going to use the applicator and contour the nose. And I'm also going to go on the lids as well. Or in the crease, actually. Before I blend in the nose contour and the crease contour, I'm going to take the ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair for a highlight. And I like to bring the concealer underneath the cheek contour, the cheekbone contour. I'm going to blend in let's blend in the highlight first. And then we can do the nose contour. And I like to blend in the nose highlight with my finger. I feel like that's the easiest thing to use. Sometimes I do go in with a smaller brush, like I almost lost the name. like this. And then I go in with the Morphe Ariel brush number A58 to blend in the nose contour. And I'm going to go in and blend in the crease contour. For blush, I thought this would be the perfect color for blush. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in Belize. And I'm going to take the brush, the Morphe Ariel brush number A22 to apply this. I'm going to go on the nose. A tiny bit on the forehead. What I'm going to do is, I thought that this liquid eyeshadow would be perfect for this look. So I'm going to take the Jafra liquid eyeshadow in Rose All Day and apply this to the lids. I'm going to blend it in with my finger. And then I do go back in with the blush and go over the eyes with this too. Just to give it a little bit more strawberry look, strawberry feel. Now I'm going to curl the lashes. Before we do that, I'm going to set the T-zone, and I'm going to actually leave the outsides of the face dewy. So I'm going to take my Beauty Blender Powder Puff to set the T-zone. I'm using the Rare Beauty loose setting powder in light to set the face. And again, only setting the T-zone. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. I'm going to use the color Jet. I think that's what it is. I'm going to do the same thing to the other lashes. For this look, I only like lashes or mascara on the top lashes, so I'm going to skip the bottom. For a lip color, I'm going to actually use the blush that we used. So I'm going to just apply this to the lips. Okay, the Bible verse of the day is Matthew 5:3. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. And again, that was Matthew 5:3. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!